Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today and for this week. This is going to be a weekly analysis as a continuous follower of our presentation, and as a client, you note every Monday we have weekly analysis, and for the weekly analysis we use 1 hour chart. That means all the single candlestick here represents 1 hour. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. Now you can see this red color candlestick that indicates last week Monday's price opening. This vertical blue line indicates respective weekly price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 5880s. What we expected last week was, we expected crude has got the potential to maintain its downtrend, having these various marked resistance zone. Till 6020, we expected the price to stay in downtrend initially, and slowly and steadily we decreased the stop loss after that. Now let us see what happened after that. After the price opening, the price went and tested the key resistance zone of 5920, where it found the resistance, and from there you can notice that it came and tested the next support of 5862. Again it found a resistance here. You can see there was a lot of consolidation happening in this particular area, so the price came down and tested the next support zone of 5820, and consequently you can see every day the price dropped and tested the next support zone, and finally we can notice the price came down till 5662. Then it gave some bounce back to close around 5704. This was the entire price action we witnessed in the last week market, crude oil market. On seeing the entire price action, we can notice that it was completely dominated by the sellers. As per our expectation, we reached all the target zone whatever we targeted for that particular week. The area which we should notice was here. The price found some consolidation around 5860s. So again the price found some consolidation around 5760s. These are the few zones where we should put some concentration, and we had also noticed that. So what we can do today, let us go and see the open high low close analysis for week. So in the last week price opening, if you see that all the entire price action happened below the previous week's price action. Even though the previous week you can notice that it was a very big drop, the market didn't even provided a retracement. It was completely below. You can notice that it was completely below the previous week price action, which shows the open high low close analysis favored selling or bear market. So what we can do today for this week, how we can position ourselves for this week, we should have one thing in our mind. So to what extent crude has dropped? To a greater extent crude has dropped. So you can notice that right from 6260. So 6260, now the price is around 5660. So it is a very huge drop. So there are three things that can happen in any market. One is uptrend, downtrend, and a consolidation, which is also called a sideways price action, just a bit of pullback. So for this week, based upon the Mcx price direction, we are expecting the price to open somewhere just near or above 5720. Based upon the Mcx price direction, we are predicting the price opening, and we are not taking the rupee and dollar factor into account, even though it has got some most important influence in deciding the price opening and also deciding the volatility and also few trends also. So what we can do, how we can position ourselves. The last few weeks we clearly made a big profit, since we had identified the trend earlier using our video presentations and also using our Goodwill Commodities starting tool. So how we can position ourselves, because this week we need to be very careful, because these are indicating that it is oversold. So there can be some possible pullback that can happen because of profit booking and just a bit of retracement. Since we can identify our moving average is staying around 5960, so it can, even if the price is going to give a pullback from 5760 till 5960, it is going to be in the sell trend only. Till this zone we can expect the price to stay in downtrend, so we should be very careful while you enter, and if you adding your trading positions, adding how the position in the sense we mean how much lots you are going to take. So what we advise for this week is that just wait for the price to hit the major resistance. Leave 5720. Don't consider this. If it may, price may take some support in and around this zone. We had identified two zones, 5760 where the price found some consolidation here. The next zone 5860. So based upon the available fund you have in your trading account, just leave few resistance zone. Just leave few resistance zone and try start your trading from 5760. So wait for the price, because you need some patience. Wait for the price to enter into the key zone, then keep averaging till the key zone. Till 5920 we are expecting crude oil to stay in downtrend. You should be very careful. If you are starting your trading right from 5760, it is going to be almost nearly 150 points averaging. So you should be very careful. Whenever you average, if you get some minor profit like 30-40 points, just book your profit immediately. Leave it. Wait for the price to hit the next resistance, then book some minor profit and leave it. So what we are going to do for this entire week is that we are going to act very slowly. We need to protect all our profit. Whatever we had gained earlier doesn't matter, even if the price is falling from here, because our prime objective is going to be protecting our profit whatever we had gained earlier for this week. So it is, the message is very clear. Wait for the price to hit the resistance zone, book minor profit, give some time for the market to consolidate. Once the market showed some consolidation, we will identify based on the price action we can take the entry point. React fast, stay cool, be patient, wait for the price to hit the resistance, book profit at regular interval. That is going to be the message for this week. Till 5920 we are expecting the price to stay in downtrend. Use Goodwill commodities charting tool in order to identify the trend. It is not highly advisable to trade against the trend. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Continuously watch our daily video presentation so that if there is any change in strategy, we will inform you. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.